Hello everyone, I'm Milgad Brahmle and this is my STF presentation. Then let's start. Today I want to talk about transals. First of all, what is a transal? Transal is a geometric figure. For example, this is a transal A, B, and C. A, B, and C. Transal has three sides: 1, 2, 3, and 3 angles. 1, 2, 3. The sum of the degrees of the angles always is always equal to 180 degree. For example, this is my transal: 90 degree, 30 degree, and 60 degree. 30 degree plus 60 degree plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. The sum of the lengths of the three sides of a transal is called its perimeter. For example, perimeter is P and is equal to, according to its this transal, perimeter is P and P is equal to A plus B plus C. Let's look at the classifying transals. There are three names given to transals that tell how many sides or angles are equal. Firstly, we shall look through classifying transals by sides. There are three types of transal according to its sides. First is equilateral transal. Second is isosceles transal. Third is scalene transal. This is my equilateral transal. And this is my isosceles transal, and this is scalene transal. Equilateral transal has three equal sides and three equal angles. 1, 2, 3 equal sides and 1, 2, 3 equal angles. A, alpha, 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 and the angles of the equilateral transals are always equal to 60 degree. For example, alpha is equal to 60 degree. Isosceles transal has two equal sides, 1 and 2, and 2 equal angles. This is isosceles transal. Scalene transal doesn't have equal side and equal angles. This is scalene transal. Secondly, we shall look through classifying transals by its angles. Transals has three types according to its angles. First is acute transal. Second is right transal. And third is obtuse transal. Acute transal. The angles of the acute transal are less than 90 degree. For example, this is my acute transal. 60 degree, 60 degree, and 60 degree. This also is equilateral triangle. 60 degree is less than 90 degree. Right triangle. This is right triangle. Right triangle has 90 degree angle. 90 degree angle. Obtuse triangle. The obtuse triangle has one angle more than 90. For example, this is my obtuse triangle, and his alpha is greater than 19 degree. Let's look at the other part of triangle. Pythagorean theorem. Firstly, Pythagorean theorem. Pythagorean theorem is only used in a right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. S A and S A and B alpha. The square of the longest side is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. C is colored hypotenuse. C is colored A is one side and B is another side. We also say that A is opposite, B is adjacent. B is adjacent. Why is A colored opposite? Because A is opposite to the angle alpha, and why is B colored adjacent? Because B is adjacent to the angle alpha. Adjacent means adjacent is having a common side, alpha and B. Area. There are several forms to find the area of a triangle. I shall wait. Area. There are several formulas to find the area of a triangle. I shall talk about three formulas. Firstly, area is equal to 1/2 times base times 8. For example, this is my triangle. This is base and this is 8, and then area is equal to 1/2 times b times 8. For example, base is 5, 8 is 4, then area is equal to 1/2 times 4 times 5. 2 times 5 is equal to 10, then area is 10. Secondly, area is equal to 1/2 times a times b times sinus c. For example, this is my triangle A, B, and C. A, B, and C. Thirdly is Heron's formula. Firstly, we have to find semiperimeter. What is a semiperimeter? Semiperimeter is a 1/2 perimeter. For example, according to this triangle, same perimeter is S. S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Then area is equal to under the root S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C. Yes, that's it. Wait for me. Triangle inequality theorem. Let's look through this theorem. Any side of triangle must be shorter than the other two sides added together. You can ask why. There are two reasons for this. First reason is if a side is longer than others, then the other two sides don't meet. Second reason is if a side is equal to the sum of the other two sides of a triangle, then it won't be a triangle. It will be a line, straight line. For example, this is my triangle, A, B, and C, A, B, and C. Then we can write that A is less than B plus C, and B is less than A plus C, and third is C is less than A plus B. For example, this side is 9, this side is 8, this side is 7. 9 is less than 7 plus 8, 8 is less than 9 plus 7, and 7 is less than 9 plus 8. Wait for me, I turn the sheet. Let's look at the next part of triangle. This is sine rule, or the law of sine. It's useful for solving triangles. It works for any triangle. When we divide A, the sine of angle A, it is equal to side B divided by the sine of angle B, and also is equal to side C divided by sine of angle C. For example, this is my triangle A, B, and C. A, B, and C. It is really useful. Let's look at the next part of triangle, last part. It is cosine rule, or the law of cosine. The cosine rule can be used in any triangle where you are trying to relate all three sides to one angle. Firstly, I draw my triangle. I have to draw my triangle. A, B, and C. A, B, and C. A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2 times B times C times sine times cosine A. Cosine A. We can write it for the other sides, for C, for B. What time do we use it? When we First is when we know two side and the angle between them. For to find the third side of a triangle. Secondly, when we know all three sides of a triangle, for to find the angles of a triangle. This rule can help us to solve difficult looking problems easily. We already reached the end of my video. Then thank you for watching. Goodbye.